In this video, I will discuss about find GCD and LCM of two numbers. So first write has include stdio.h, that is a standard input output header file, and has include conio.h, that is console input output header file. Now write void main function and hereafter declare integer type variables first n1, n2, num1, num2, and one temp LCM GCD variable. Hereafter write printf function to display the message on the screen. Enter the numbers and close by semicolon and scanf that will store the number into the memory. So here I'm going to store two integer types of variables, so I used %d two times. Uh, First one is for n1 and n2. So whatever you number enter, that will goes to n1 and n2. There, that will create address of n1 and n2. Now n1 value assigned to num1 and n2 value assigned to num2. Now hereafter write while loop. So first num2 not equal to 0. If condition true, then that will go inside at your num2 value assigned to temp, and num2 equal to num1 mod num2. So whatever mod num1 mod num2, that will goes to num2, and num1 equal to temp. Now hereafter write GCD equal to num1 and LCM equal to n1 into n2 divided by GCD. So from here, write printf function. Uh, First one is for GCD greatest common divisor. Percentage for first integer and second for second integer value equal to percentage. Now first percentage equal for n1, second for n2, and third percentage for GCD. Now close by semicolon. Copy that to printf function and now paste the instead of greatest common divisor, write lowest common divisor. At here write LCM only. Now in last use getSearch function and compile. There is no any error. Run. Enter the numbers. Now first 3, second 18. So at here greatest common divisor 3 and 18 equal to 3, and lowest common divisor 3 and 18 equal to 18. Now run again. Enter the number 9, first number, and second 12. So greatest common divisor 9 and 12 equal to 3, and lowest common divisor 9 and 12 equal to 36. The code in C drives, so we have to give C colon slash LCM underscore GCD. So now code is converted to C language, the location on C drive. Now run the code once again. Enter the number, first number 8, second 12. So greatest common divisor 8 and 12 equal to 4, and lowest common divisor 8 and 12 equal to 24. This is a copy code. Now hereafter I am going to discuss about trident method of this program. So there are 7 variables are there, n1, n2, num1, num2, temp, l, that is stands for LCM and second GCD. So about stdi.h and conio.h header file I already discussed in previous videos. Now hereafter I'm going to do the trial method. So when you compile the code, then first uh, control comes to main method. Hereafter that will go down, and that will declare the variable. After the variable declaration, the control comes to printf function. So enter the number, so that message will display into the screen. So at here 2 times %d. That means there are that receive two integer input number. So first is for n1. So now I'm going to give 4, and that will uh, this is 4 is the integer number, and at particular address like 1000 or 1, that will store the value 4, and like that. Enter. Now I'm going to enter 12. So some particular address that will enter the value 12. Now hereafter n1 value assigned to num1. So n1 is 4, will assign to num1. Like that, uh, n2 value assigned to num2. So that will become 12. So hereafter while that will check the condition num2 not equal to 0. So num2 value is 12, so 12 not equal to 0. So control comes to this point. So hereafter num2 equal to 10. Num2 value is assigned to 10. So num2 is 12. Now 10 become 12. So hereafter num2 equal to num1. Num1 is 4 mod, and num2 is 12. So the value become 4. So right here num2 become 4. Now hereafter temp equal to num1, or temp value assigned to num1. So right here num1 is now 12. So again that will go and check the condition. Num2 is not equal to 0. So num2 is 4. 4 not equal to 0, condition true. So then that will go inside. So right here num2. Num2 is now 12, or num2 is now 4. 4 value assigned to 10. So now this time uh, 10 become 4. So right here num2 equal to num1 mod num2. So num1 is now 12 and mod on num2 is now 4. So right here on num2 become 0, and hereafter temp value assigned to num1. Temp is now 4. So num1 become 4 again. Hereafter again that will check the condition. Condition is now num2 is 0. So 0 not equal to 0, condition false, then that will go out of while loop. So right here num no num1 equal to GCD equal to num1. So num1 value assigned to GCD. So num1 is now 4. So right here GCD become 4. And hereafter as about LCM. So n1 into n2. So 4 into 12, that is 48, divided by GCD. So GCD is now 4. So LCM become 12. Right here LCM is now 12. So hereafter that we control go to printf function. So greatest common divisor, that message will print, and %d for n1. N1 is now 4 and n2 %d 12 equal to %d for GCD. GCD is 4. So greatest common divisor 4 and 12 equal to 4. Um, Hereafter again that will go down, printf lowest common divisor 4 or 12 equal to um, LCM is now 12. So 4 or 12 equal to 12. So that will print. And after that the control comes to getCH function. So that will take one input from keyword. After that that will terminate the output window. So that's the logic about this program. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.